Me and my hair didn't have this conversation. We weren't mentally prepared for what you just told us. You know what I'm saying? What's up, naturalistas? Welcome back to my channel. And I mean, as you can see from the title, your girl had to get the big chop. And it was all because, I would say all because, but mainly because of a sewing I got back in November. So if you want to hear this story, get some feedback on why I probably will never get a sewing again and how my hair ended up here, make sure you stay tuned. Oh, don't come for my Christmas tree because it'll be up till March. So, well, I know they already about to think about my Christmas tree now. It'll be up till March. So don't come for it, act like you ain't seen it, or get in the Christmas spirit because it'll be there. First things first, let's talk about this sew-in. First of all, I got a sew-in back in November. I haven't had a sew-in since 2013. I also recorded a video for that. However, I lost this SIM card, so y'all will probably never see that video unless I find a SIM card. Okay, so I got a sew-in. I got it done by this girl named Jazz in Atlanta, and she charged me $500. Now, mind you, I ain't never paid that much money for no hairdo before. And she used Cambodian hair, but I like the way she did someone's hair on her page that she had before, because she kind of, you know, layered the hair and it looked very natural. However, my hair did not look like, per usual, how it always goes. It didn't look like what I saw on her page. It wasn't bad, but she didn't layer it the way I wanted. My hair, it was hard to blend. On top of that, I wasn't able to access my scalp. So as far as, you know, washing my hair went and putting freaking moisturizer in it, that was a no-go. Like, I could not do it. And I mean, as you can see from this video right here, ooh, scratch that scalp. Scratch that scalp. Ooh, this is ridiculous. But let's get into this growth though. Let's get into this growth a little bit. It's grown, but it's dry. Scalp is dry. My scalp was completely dry for almost 2 months. Like, I could not touch it with anything. But the pride in me was like,
girl, you're not taking this out. You pay 500 bands for that.
You pay $500 for that, so you keeping it in. And because of that pride, my scalp suffered. And I was very happy to take it out. My friend Lado, she helped me take my hair out, which she's probably been doing since she met me. Look at the edge. Look at the edge. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. Ugh, like, it's just, it's absolutely ridiculous. Like, I'm over it. We're over it. Dosh.
Yes, love.
Ooh.
Oh,
We gotta get this out expeditiously. She helped me take my hair out, and when I tell you, like, the level of dryness, flakes, all of that was in my hair was freaking ridiculous. Okay, so I was like, okay, girl, you need to like wash your hair. I know you. Nah. Let's get into this. So right now I have my deep conditioning mask, and I use Earth Supply Textured Hair Care Strong Strands Protein Mask, Strength and Length. Okay, I use that, you know. I use the Restoring Shampoo and Restoring Conditioner by Cream of Nature called the Plex Breakage Defense, because let me tell you, I had so much shedding. So honestly, I think it was so bad. Here goes some example. Right here. Ooh. Like, honestly, I think it was so bad that I was actually losing hair. Like, no cap in my rap. I hate doing stuff like this, like using new products when my hair isn't in its healthiest state, because I can't tell if it's my technique or if it's the product I'm using. But we had to wash my hair 3 times, and I still had some flakes in there, you know, from all the dandruff or whatever. So I mean, I don't know. And I mean, I'm gonna go to sleep in this mask, and I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna pray to the Almighty God that moisture seeps into these strands, because I need it. So after I got through, you know, the COVID side, everything, I was like, I need to let my scalp breathe, because when I put my hair in these buns for work, my scalp is getting no love. So I put my hair in mini braids, right? And so I figured, like, every couple of days I'll just, you know, oil my scalp. This was not working. Like, I don't know what was going on, but it just seemed as though my scalp was not bouncing back from being so dry over the past 2 months. So I said, I need to book a salon visit ASAP. But mind you, before I did my mini twist, I trimmed my ends. Right? And yeah. I'm not sure how that goes, but let me just tell you, I'm not an expert in trimming, not a thing, okay? So I trimmed them, and baby, no. I know it was jacked up when I was cutting it, but I didn't have no choice at that point, because my ends needed to be trimmed. So I think it was all jacked up, child. So anyway, child, I get to the hair salon, and I decided that I was gonna get a hydration treatment. I went to Perfect Distraction Hair Salon in Atlanta, Georgia, and I booked Ricola. She was the person I could get to quick who could do a hydration treatment. And then I decided to get my annual silk press done, because I technically had a sew-in during the winter months where or December, when I normally get my hair done, or a silk press. So I decided to get that. Man, she showed me these pictures of my freaking hair and how I had split ends almost halfway up my hair follicle. Like, how? Bro, I was through. Like, I didn't know what to. I said, oh, she said, yeah, you're gonna have to get a haircut.
A haircut? Like, I did not prepare for no haircut. Like, I just came here to get my hair straightened, get a little hydration back in my scalp, like.
Me and my hair didn't have this conversation. We weren't mentally prepared for what you just told us. You know what I'm saying? She said haircut. I just said, okay, yeah. But in my heart of hearts, I was hurt. I said no. And then I already knew my hair looked hella short. Like hella short. Compared to how it looked 2 years ago. Like, how did I lose all of this length? Like, how? I was through. Done. Child. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. And then she turned me around in that chair, and she did a little bang thing. You know how they be doing a little bang thing to make it look all nice and stuff. I said, that's cute. I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared to have my hair chopped off like that. Nope. Wasn't there. So, I gathered myself in the car. I went back to my best friend's house, and I did my makeup and stuff, and then this is what it came to, okay? It looked all healthy. It looked healthy or whatever, you know. That's the good thing. But the big chop, baby, was not expected in 2021. That was definitely not on my list of things to do this year. It was not a goal of mine at all. But y'all, tell me what y'all think about the haircut. But yeah, tell me what y'all think about this hair in the comments. I actually hadn't had a big chop since I went natural, which was in 2014. So, I mean, would you consider this a big chop? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I think it's a big chop. I mean, if you look at my pictures from before to now, this is short, bro. Like this is short. Like, anyway, I guess it's definitely growing on it. But you know, your girl can rock anything, you know, she it ain't a big deal, you know. But still, I'd much rather have been mentally prepared for this. So again, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. I love you all. I'll see you on my next upload. It is your girl, LATRICE. And remember to always protect your peace. Bye. And Doshi, I love you, girl, but the level of detangulation that you applied to my head was minimal. Okay, it took me forever to get through it with this conditioner, and I had to stretch, girl. I'm sure I lost about half a head full of hair, but girl, I love you. I love you. So I put my hair in mini twists. What y'all doing out there? Make a lot of noise. Thank you. So